Webgility Online's product module makes it easy to manage your catalog and keep things in sync between your stores and QuickBooks. If you're on a plan that includes transactional accounting, you'll see a product section in the left side nav. The product option will open up other options for you to manage the catalog as a whole, options for inventory or pricing sync, and if your plan includes it, multi-channel sync. Clicking on Product Catalog will take you to a screen showing you all of your products, with an option to filter or search through your products to find what you're looking for. The dropdown will give you the ability to filter by missing products, meaning that they exist on one side and not the other, map products, which are connected manually by telling Webgility which products are on each side, matched products, which share a SKU or unique identifier between your store and QuickBooks, and ignored products, or those you don't care about keeping track of or in sync. Looking at the Missing tab, you'll be able to see which side of the integration the product is missing from by looking at the corresponding columns for either your store or QuickBooks. A filled-in green circle means that it exists on that side, while an empty red circle indicates we can't find the item in QuickBooks. You can map products manually under the Missing tab by checking the box next to the item that you wish to connect and clicking Map at the top, or by clicking the drop-down on the far right of each product. This will open up the option to tell Webgility which item the product should map to on either side it's missing on. The drop-down next to each product in the product catalog allows you to create missing products or set them to ignored. To break the connection between previously mapped products, you can click the drop-down at the top and head to Mapped. There, you can select the product you wish to unmap and click Unmap at the top. When you're confident that your products are set up properly on both sides of the integration, you can head to the inventory or pricing sections at the top or in the side nav to manage the sync between them. You'll see a drop-down allowing you to see all products or just those in or out of sync. And when you're ready to sync, select the items that you want to sync and click Sync at the top, or each individual sync button on the right. You'll be able to decide which side you want to sync from and set negative values to 0 if desired. If your plan includes multi-channel sync, you'll be able to set your master inventory here, allowing you to make sure all of your sales channels are in perfect locked step. For more information on Webgility Online and the product module, click the link in the description, and follow Webgility for more on all things e-commerce.